Everyone thinks the best-selling H11 headlight bulbs are automatically the best option. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1. Ursprung H11 bulbs. First up, we have the Ursprung H11/H9/H8 light bulbs. These are priced at $28.79 and have an impressive 4.6-star rating from 1,000 reviews. What caught my attention is their claim of being 10x brighter than standard halogen bulbs. If you want a dramatic boost in visibility, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These bulbs deliver up to 96,000 lumens of light output with a cool 6,500K white color, which means you'll see a lot more detail on the road. The Focus Safety Beam design maximizes visibility while reducing glare for oncoming drivers, making nighttime driving a lot safer. Plus, installation is a breeze with their plug-and-play setup. No tools needed, just pop them in and go. And with a lifespan of over 85,000 hours, you can say goodbye to frequent replacements. Now, some people complained about the price being a bit higher compared to standard halogen bulbs. Here's the thing, though, you really get what you pay for here. The longevity and brightness make it a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about road safety. This is perfect for you if you frequently drive at night or in low-light conditions. Skip this one if you're just looking for a basic bulb replacement, as the enhanced performance comes at a premium. Product number 2. Franksy Combo Bulbs. Next up is the Franksy 9005/HB3H11/H8/H9 light bulbs combo, retailing at $38.97. With a solid 4.6-star rating and over 2,200 reviews, it's clear these bulbs are popular. What impressed me is the combination of fog and headlight functionality in one set. These bulbs produce a super bright 32,000 lumens output, which is fantastic for night driving. They have a color temperature of 6,000 K, offering a clean, white light that enhances visibility significantly. The 1:1 design means no complicated installation, just plug them in like the original bulbs. Additionally, the built-in cooling fan helps manage heat, which can prolong their lifespan considerably. That said, if you have a sensitive vehicle, some users reported flickering issues, meaning you might need an extra SAN bus decoder. But honestly, that's a minor hassle for the benefits you gain in performance. This is perfect for you if you need versatility in your lighting setup. Great for both fog and regular driving. Skip this one if you drive a very sensitive vehicle, as you might encounter compatibility issues. Product number 3. Termiter Upgraded Bulbs. Moving on, we have the Termiter Upgraded H11/H9 light bulbs, priced at $31.98. The 4.5-star rating from 1,600 reviews is pretty impressive, and they pack a punch with 96,000 lumens of output. If you want ultra-bright illumination, these could be your go-to. What's great about these bulbs is their crisp 6,500K color temperature, which closely mimics daylight. This means better contrast and clarity when you're driving at night, which can help with spotting road signs or potential hazards. They're designed for plug-and-play installation, so you can have them set up in just a few minutes. Plus, the IP68 rating means they're waterproof and built to withstand harsh weather conditions. However, some users mentioned that they might not be as durable under extreme heat. But let's be real, for most users, this won't be a deal breaker as long as you're not in a desert. This is perfect for you if you often drive in inclement weather. Skip this one if you need a bulb for extremely high temperature environments, as they might not hold up well. Product number 4. Sealight H11 Bulbs. The Sealight H11/H9/H8 LED bulbs are next on the list at $30.37. With a whopping 4.5-star rating and over 12,700 reviews, these bulbs are no joke. What really caught my eye is their ultra-bright output of 96,000 lumens. These bulbs are designed with automotive-grade chips, producing a cool white light at 6,500 K. What this means for you is a massive improvement in visibility, making nighttime drives less stressful. The CAN bus ready feature is a big plus, ensuring compatibility with most vehicles without throwing error codes. Installation is a breeze, and a lifespan of over 80,000 hours is impressive. Some users did mention that the heat dissipation could be better, which honestly surprised me. I expected more from a brand with such a solid reputation. But if installed correctly, it shouldn't be a major issue. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, bright solution for your nighttime driving. Skip this one if you have a vehicle known for compatibility issues, as you might need that extra CAN bus decoder. Product number 5, H11 Halogen bulbs. Last but not least, we have the H11 Halogen H11 Headlight bulbs, which are the budget-friendly option at just $9.39. They have a solid 4.6-star rating from 1,300 reviews. If you need something that won't break the bank, these are worth considering. These bulbs offer 4,000 lumens of brightness, which is enough to enhance your visibility while driving. The light they emit is around 3,800 K, giving off a warm yellow light that's gentle on the eyes, making night driving more comfortable. They're designed to handle various environmental conditions, so you won't have to worry about moisture or dust affecting performance. The downside? They aren't nearly as bright as the others on this list, and some users noted that they don't last as long as more premium options. But if you're looking for something simple and effective, they still get the job done. This is perfect for you if you want an economical option for basic driving needs. Skip this one if you're after high-performance bulbs, as you'll likely be disappointed with the brightness. So, to recap, the Ursprung bulbs are perfect for brightness. The Franksy combo offers versatility. The Termita shines in weather conditions. The Sea-Light provides great durability, and the H11 is your best budget option. Each has its strengths, so choose based on what matters most to you.